Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Jjapaguri, which is ramdon, which is ramen plus udon. Let's get started. Yesterday, I got a text message from my mom, and she's obsessed with the movie called Parasite. In the movie, they made Jjapaguri, and she wants me to cover it. So, this is for you, Mom. To get started, we need 2 ramen, which is Neoguri and Jjapaghetti. This is what is called Jjapaguri. And you need 150 grams of sirloin steak. I'm gonna cut the steak in half. That's about 150 grams. I'm gonna slice into half again. And we're gonna cut the steak into 1 centimeter cubes. And pour some olive oil. Sprinkle some salt. Add a dash of pepper. And massage the meat. And put your steak to the side. Get a pot and turn your stove on high heat and add some water. And open up the package. Add the flakes and the shima. Once it's boiling rapidly, we're gonna add noodles. Keep lifting noodles to aerate them. It will be more bouncy and chewy. After cooking for 3 minutes, turn your stove off and drain the water. Make sure drain all the water and put to the side. Next, get a pan and turn your stove on high heat. Add some olive oil. Once pan is heated, add your steak. Make sure cook your steak a little less than your preference and put your steak to the side. Get a pot and turn your stove on medium-low. Add 2 scoops of ramen broth. And add all of your noodles. And add all the soup powder. Once your powder is mixed well, add your steak. And cook it 1 more minute so steak can soak up the flavors. And once you cook it for a minute, turn your stove off. And place noodle into the bowl. That's it! Our Jjapaguri is all ready to eat! Eating time! That's it! I'm so wondering. I never put steak in a Jjapaguri, so I don't even know what it will like, so let's try. Let's just have a Jjapaguri first. Jjapaguri is really good. Since instant udon Neoguri is spicy, it gives really good flavor to the Jjapaghetti and it makes this dish really delicious. Let's try the beef. I don't know, it's really weird, but in a good way. It's really good. I cooked the steak perfectly, so it has really good juice inside. So when I eat it with it, it's explode in my mouth and it goes so well with the noodle. First time when I heard about this dish, I was thinking, why didn't they use the pork? Pork will go better than this, but it's really unique and it's really worth it to try. So you should definitely try, and if you try, please send me through the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Kwon's Corner subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. So hopefully see you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!